Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to play Seben in the key of D. So this bass line is in the key of D, as I said, and the progression is 1 4 5 4. So that is D, G, A, G, D. So we start by playing the 1. So what I'm playing is 5 1 1 3 1. So 5 1 1 3 1, and then so 4 4 4 5 2 2. Then I'll slide 4 again. So we're playing and then the next part will be, so I'm playing 3 3 3 3 4 3 5 2 2 3 4 3 3 3 3 4 3 5 2 2 3 4 3. So that is basically it. So what we're doing is so I am adding a few ghost notes. So instead of playing, I'm playing this. So instead of going to the 2 here, you can also go to the 2 right here. So you can play this. So I'm playing. So that was a very quick tutorial on how you can play Seben in the key of D. If you guys would like to see more tutorials like this, then comment below your suggestions and like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you're also interested in lessons, then please see the description where I'll left my email address and email me saying that you're interested in lessons and I'll send you the details. Thank you so much for watching.